Yeah, that makes total sense. I'd be really happy to help with that. So just go ahead and ask your questions and I'll respond, and they can repeat or build on what I say. We can keep it conversational and natural.
Brilliant. So now the first question, can you please talk to me like a friend that needs help with speaking practice? If you're looking for someone to practice you speaking with and you don't know where to get started, don't worry about it, because you don't need a speaking partner anymore in 2026. It's been many years has been existing, but a lot of people they don't know about it. But if you don't have a partner to start speaking, practice you speaking, you're not alone anymore to practice your English speaking every single day. But if I told you that you already have access to that tool in order to be able to speak English and to practice your speaking habits. So you stay with me, because you might be completely you don't know where to get started, but I'll guide you step by step how to use it and how to do it in order to be able to improve your speaking skills. To be honest, most people don't improve their speaking not because they are lazy, but because they don't have anyone to practice with. Because you don't have anyone to practice you speaking with, right? So you might be wondering, so what are some tools that I might need to use it because I feel shy to speak to others? So now this tool, you don't need to be confident, you don't need to be shy, because you can't see that tool anymore. It's just a tool in your phone and you can use it. So don't be afraid to make a mistake as well. Simply not know how to practice properly. What happens, you keep watching the video and keep learning vocabulary, but your speaking stays the same. So the truth is, here's the truth that nobody tells you about. You don't improve your speaking by studying more. You improve speaking by speaking, right? But it's just not random, okay? But it's not just random speaking. Guided speaking is structured speaking, daily speaking. And that's the shift, actually. Now, imagine this, okay? Imagine this. You have that tool to have a conversation with that tool available 24/7. Yeah, I mean, it's quite important. If it's 24/7, never judge you, corrects you, and even gives you ideas, helps you to continue the conversation, pushes you to speak more. No pressure, no embarrassment, just a real practice. So now the tool is, of course, AI. But which AI should I use to practice my speaking? Well, most specifically, we're going to use ChatGPT. But here is the difference. Most people use it to type, right? But we can use as well to practice our speech, to practice our speaking skills, right? Because you don't actually just learn English, you practice speaking at the same time. So now, how to use it? How to use it? You have got your phone, okay? You've got your phone. So what you're going to do? Open ChatGPT. Let's crack on and let's see how we're going to practice at the same time, okay? Because a lot of people don't know how to use it. So now, in ChatGPT, we have the button that we have to press. And start asking questions, okay? So you start asking questions, and I'm just going to show you how to use it. But yeah, if you're watching this video, so listen to the conversation while I'm having conversation with ChatGPT. What you're going to do, you give it simple instructions. Do you have questions that you need to ask ChatGPT? Perhaps you give it instructions, and of course, be able to setting on there and make it sure that you follow the right questions to ask ChatGPT in order to practice your speaking skills, right? And of course, to build your confidence overall. So now, for example, I'm going to open the ChatGPT again. But yeah, let's crack on. I'm going to ask ChatGPT, hello there.
Today.
Well, now, a lot of people have been wondering on how to actually be able to improve their English. But today I have just about a few questions that I need to ask you in order just to help them to basically to kind of like to practice their speaking skills at the same time. Well, now I'm going to ask you questions, you're going to answer them, and yeah, I mean, that's how we practice. So just to let them know, this is how they can practice. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes total sense. I'd be really happy to help with that. So just go ahead and ask your questions and I'll respond, and they can repeat or build on what I say. We can keep it conversational and natural.
Brilliant. So now the first question, can you please talk to me like a friend that needs help with speaking practice?
Of course. Yeah, absolutely. So just like a friend, I'd say something like, hey, I'm really glad you reached out. I'd love to help you practice. What kind of things do you feel like you struggle with the most? Maybe vocabulary, fluency, or just being confident when you talk. We can take it from there.
Brilliant. Well, so now that was the first question. The second question is sort of like my second question. Okay. Can you correct my mistakes and ask me questions, or can you please correct my mistakes?
Absolutely. So as we go along, if you say something, I'll listen carefully. And if I notice any mistakes, I'll gently correct them. Then I'll ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation going. So whenever you're ready, just say something and I'll help you fine tune.
Hello, today I want to talk about my day, and is that all right?
Yeah, that's totally fine. Just a small correction. Instead of saying, hi, today I wanted to talk, you can say, today I want to talk about my day. So can you tell me, what did you do?
Guys, as you know, that's definitely how you can practice, definitely using ChatGPT without any sort of like complications. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's all about it. And if you found this useful, you like what you saw today, please let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about it? And yeah, I'll do more of it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.